Right, so I got this smart bracelet from AliExpress for literally £1 with free shipping. And we can see here in specifications that it's got a display of 1.4 inches and a bunch of other things that I can't be bothered to read. But just want to get into this and see what we're actually dealing with. So we've got the watch with the bands there, a nice little instruction leaflet here, which I'm assuming is in Chinese on this side and English on this. We'll have a read of that later. Get rid of that for now. So let's see what these bands are like. Well, that's some really cheap plastic. It's got some like almost carbon fiber type of effect to it, but I guess they do the job. So the watch itself, oh well, the screen protector on there is a bit knackered, so let's just peel that away. Nice. And the screen looks like it's already got a bunch of scratches on it. Excellent. That's the heart rate sensor there. So let's plug it in to charge it up a bit. The plugging in thing is just a bit weird. You need a USB-A connection. So that's charging. Right, so let's get this app downloaded. Fit Pro is called. Do the settings, turn on all the health stuff, which you can supposedly measure, log in, and here's the home screen on the app. So let's try to set up the watch first of all. Nope, that's not it. Where is it? There we go, scan it. Right, that took ages. I mean, it was scanning for about 5 minutes. The watch finally popped up, and this bit here took about another 3-4 minutes for it to actually connect. So I was waiting around, the watch wasn't showing me anything. I don't know what was going on. Maybe I hadn't charged it enough. Still nothing happening. Right, let me go put this on charge for a bit longer. Okay, so I charged it up for about an hour or so and slapped it on my wrist. So let's go, and it's connected. So let's turn on this wrist sense, which supposedly activates the watch with wrist movement, and you can set a time for when it actually does. Okay, so when I've turned that on, it's come on. Okay, not sensing my wrist movement. That's a good start. That's gonna end up breaking my arm in this process. Come on. Okay, that was a fail. Let's look at a few other things. So we've got dial settings, which I mean, supposedly the watch faces. Oh wow, got a bunch of ones here. Let's try this one. Yeah, that looks good. Just tells you not to put the app in the background. It's got a nice little syncing with the watch image there. Excellent, that's it. What else can we do here? So if we check home screen, you can read your heart rate. So let's try that. And it's got a bunch of different things on here. I mean, I don't know what the bottom bits are. I think BP's blood pressure. Don't know how it's measuring blood pressure from a sensor like that. It says BPM of 80. I think it's measured my oxygen saturation as well at 97, and blood pressure, yeah, don't know how that works, but okay, I wouldn't really take that to be much accurate, to be honest. And then you got sleep function here, and you can turn on notifications, which I tried testing by sending a message and nothing came up on my watch when I done that as well. You can do some alarms. And supposedly record. It says that I've done 294 steps with the watch already, which I definitely have not. Right, let's just see what we can do with the watch from the watch itself. And I can't do anything. The wrist detection isn't working. There's no way for me to actually, there's no buttons on it or anything for me to turn it on. Let me take it off and try. Oh, I don't understand this. Oh, there we go, we got something here. Oh, that's the steps, supposedly. Don't know. Maybe because I've got it up on the phone, but I can't do anything by the looks of it. And this screen is just horrible, isn't it? Come on. Oh, I need to change it. And that's gone to the heart rate sensor. All sports. Okay, can't click on it. Messages. Come on. Nope, and the screen's just turned off. I can't be bothered. I guess that's what you get for spending that much money on a supposed smartwatch. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.